Hi, it's Mark from SyncEzy, and in today's video, I want to quickly show you the new functionality that allows allowances to transfer from Simpro to Xero. So previously, the Simpro to Xero integration has allowed you to transfer timesheets into a draft pay run, have scheduled time come across, including normal time and overtime, and have activities and leave and earnings come across. Now, you'll also be able to sync activities from Simpro into allowances within Xero. So in Simpro, you'll be able to have staff or administrators add an activity as an allowance onto a timesheet. And then when you send that timesheet through to Xero Payroll, you'll have that allowance appear on the employee's payslip, ready for your next pay run. So let's quickly dive in how it looks in the systems. So looking at Simpro first, you can see an employee timesheet here, and in addition to the normal hours they're recording for each job, you can also see different side allowances. The time allocated on the timesheet equates to how many units of the allowance. So one 15-minute increment equals 1 unit, and here you've got 2 hours equaling 8 units. So when we jump across into Xero Payroll, you can then see the normal hours coming across as previously. And now you can see the different allowances, the number of units, and obviously the rate which you set up under the pay items within Xero. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions about this, please contact our support department and we can help with the setup for that. Have a great day.